Hello, I'm here with Michael from Cyviz. Cyviz is a really interesting solution because it's more like a platform. Could you tell me a bit about what this platform does for end users?
Yeah, thanks a lot, Ferreira. It's good to meet you this trip.
Yeah.
So what happens is that Cyviz actually provides a very advanced visualization, combining the collaboration, the command and control, providing a standardized platform solution for the end users and also for the AV integrators for them to implement the project much faster for the customers. So by doing so, the customers will enjoy a much higher level of user experience by having a standardized platform. Doesn't matter independent of what kind of UC solutions or what kind of information they want to share on the screen. Everything that you see on the screen can be easily shared across all kinds of platforms to the other side.
And how does this work for the integrators? Because they can do something like this themselves, but it's very complex and sometimes it requires a lot of programming and a lot of integration and a lot of deployment.
Absolutely, this is a very good question. As we all know, AV is not a simple solution. It is actually in a Singlish word. Basically we call rojak, which means to say there's a combination of different kind of ingredients they're trying to put together. The thing is that from an end user perspective, most of the time they want a solution. They want something that is proven, usable, and long term, I can still use it whatever is the UC solution we're going to change. This is what I see personally that the AV integrators is currently facing a problem. Number one, there are just too many products to integrate together. Integration takes time. Okay? You can integrate the products today. But if tomorrow, if something happens, let's say for example, Microsoft Teams will get an upgrade, or WebEx will get an upgrade from the firmware, certain products may not work as what they designed day one. Okay, so that will cause the integrator a lot of problem of integrating the right product today and into the future. That's one. So secondly, the time to deliver to the customers is also critical. Especially now we see post-COVID, people want to have very quick response and the project needs to be implemented fast, implement in a standardized way, and we are seeing a lot of integrators having this problem of trying to fit in, okay, maybe this room I have to use this way of programming. The other room in, let's say, Sydney, I have to program it in a different way. And the other room in Hong Kong, I have to program it in a different way. So it doesn't give our customers a global standardized experience, especially at sea level, of traveling to different places and see the same thing on the screen. So what Cyviz is providing is a standardized platform, is a standardized GUI with a dynamic zooming capabilities and dynamic PIP capabilities, and can use it as simple as you're using an iPhone or Android phone.
These two features that you mentioned, could you expand a bit more on how they are easy to use and what actual impact they have in applications for users?
Thank you. So, as mentioned earlier, if you know how to use iPhone, if you want to open the application, there's an icon there. So you click on the application, you open up, and you can dynamically move the application. Imagine you're on the white screen, move it to certain places of the screen because you want to add another application to be shown on the same screen. Okay? And you probably have many applications to add. For example, in the command center, you probably have thousands of CCTVs that you need to show dynamically on the screen. Let's say, for example, there's a tsunami warning going on somewhere. You want to very quickly move that screen over to the center, enlarge it by dynamically zooming in, look at it, put it back into the screen, and hence share it out into the users. So this is what the feature provided by Cyviz.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your time, Michael.
Thank you.